in your mind जो आपके पास आपके बहुत अच्छे sentences that you are already having with you, ये इसको देख कर उसको change नहीं करना है, ठीक है? आपके कम है सेंटेंस तो आप इसको इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, लेकिन सबके पास 1 मिनट से ज्यादा। सर कितना टाइम देने लगे हैं हम लोग ब्रेकआउट रूम के लिए?
मैम 20 मिनट्स ने
20 मिनट देने लगे हैं, और हर एक रूम में आई होप
नहीं 9 और 10 स्टूडेंट्स ने, क्योंकि टीचर्स साडे कोल थोड़े अज।
तो 9 से 10 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे। 20 मिनट्स का मतलब है सब बच्चों के पास कम से कम 1.5 से लेके 2 मिनट्स का टाइम होगा अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए।
और इन एवरी रूम देयर विल बी अ टीचर।
यस, राइट स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर एवरीथिंग? So how much time you will get to get yourself introduced?
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
नहीं
20
बेटा,
minutes.
per
2
student
minutes, बच्चे 2 minutes only. Yeah.
2 minutes.
वेरी गुड। तो 2 मिनट्स पर स्टूडेंट, और ये आप नोट भी कर सकते हो जब तक मैंने आपको स्क्रीन पे शेयर किया हुआ है कहीं पर। आज आप फैसिलिटेशन ले सकते हो, इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो अपने को। जब आप whenever you will try to speak, you can have the help of these sentences.
Students, if the screen is not visible properly, you can zoom it.
Okay, हाँ, yes. Should I zoom?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
वैसे तो it is already up to the.
No, ma'am, you leave them. They can you zoom it properly.
हाँ जी सिमरन चहल, आपको कुछ कहना है बेटा? You have raised your hand. Simran, do you want to say something dear? सिमरन, आपको कुछ कहना है बेटा? बेटा फिर अपना रेज हैंड किया हुआ ना, उसको ऑप्शन को मोर में जाकर आपने किया होगा, उसको मोर रिएक्शन जहाँ पर होगा उसको डाउन कर लो, हैंड डाउन कर लो।
हाँ जी मैम, हो गया। ब्रेकआउट रूम कर दिए?
हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, शुड वी करिए? हाँ जी बेटा, तैयार? एवरीवन रेडी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So all the students kindly join the breakout room. As earlier in the last session, we have conducted this activity. Now I am going to open all the rooms and students will join automatically. दीक्षा बेटे तुसी ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे? 5 नंबर रूम है तुहाडा?
Yes,
हाँ, रूम नंबर 5 च ज्वाइन करो।
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Baki girls, you can mute yourself. Mute. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Mute yourself. Yeah. Everyone, mute yourself. Anu, let's start with you, bache.
The introduction देनी.
Yes. Simple introduction. Whatever you want to say about yourself. 5 lines, 6 lines. Simple.
I am Anu. I live in London City. My age is 80 years old.
Yes.
There are 4 people in my family.
Mm-hmm.
I am a student of government senior secondary school in Gopra.
Yes.
Well done, Kashish. Very good.
Hi, my name is.
Hanji, start, beta. Whosoever was speaking. Hello. Continue.
Hello, my name is Preeti from Government Middle School, Saipur, Jalandhar. I study in. Everyone, my name is Arun Kaur. India's my country. I come from Jalandhar city. I live in city.
Yes.
12 years old and good personality. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Just
7th class.
Okay, Jaspreet, speak out, beta. Say something about yourself. Jaspreet, Divanti, Harsh. Beta, tell me something about yourself. Divyanti and Harsh. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Give your introduction, beta.
Ma'am, my name is Divanti. I read in 9th class.
Okay, is it? We're waiting.
My favorite game is cricket.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ravina.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now we will move to Brahmjot. Brahmjot,
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning.
My name is Brahmjot and I read in 9th class in Government High School, Raipur, Rasulpur, Jalandhar.
Hmm.
India is my country and I am come from Punjab. I live in Raipur, Rasulpur, Jalandhar, and I am of 13 years old. And there are 6 people in my family.
Okay.
My favorite subject
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Priyanka ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Oh, yes, sir.
हाँ जी मैम, बच्चे बोल नहीं रहे ठीक है.
नहीं sir, all of them have participated. Kashish, Geena, Mahi, Mahi Sharma, Pooja, Preeti, Pushtam.
Okay.
All have participated.
Okay. मैं
मेरी कॉल आ गई सी ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਿਊਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਸਰ.
Okay. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ.
नहीं sir, they have participated. I have written the names also.
Okay.
Geena, Pushtam, Preeti, Kashish, Pooja, Mahi and Mahi Sharma, they have participated.
Thank you ma'am.
I have given them time to share something with each other.
हाँ जी ठीक है मैम. Thank you.
Okay.
ਲਵਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਰੂਮ ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰੋ ਬੇਟੇ. ਇਫ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ ਲਵਪ੍ਰੀਤ, join room number 2, otherwise you will be removed. Ravandeep Kaur,
Yes, sir.
I am sending you in room number 3. Okay, so join room number 3. And Reena, you kindly join room number 1.
Ma'am, my family members are 4. My mother, my father, me, and my brother.
Okay.
And my hobby is painting. And
Yes, painting is really very interesting. Yes.
ma'am,
Your free time activities, bete, and your hobby and your favorite subject.
my
Yes.
favorite subject is math and English.
Yes. Okay.
I will time because ma'am, I read books and I help for my mother in
Okay.
homework.
In homework or in kitchen?
No,
Okay. It's okay. Now, Manmeet, you want to say something, beta? Please speak out. Yes. Tell me.
In my family, my father and my brother. My mother name is Angel, my father name is Mr. Rajkumar, and my brother Harsh Duggal.
Candy Smart School, Raipur, Frolan, Jalandhar. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
As everybody told so many things about themselves, so kindly speak more about you, Reena. We want to know.
My father name is Deshwamochi and my mother name Manju Devi. My family is very good.
Your family, huh? Okay, what else? What is your favorite things? अब आपने म्यूट कर लिया.
My favorite thing is reading book,
Hmm.
and I want to become a doctor.
Okay, Reena also wants to become a doctor now.
Hi Nirja ma'am.
Hi, Rabia. How are you?
I'm fine ma'am.
Chalo, you enjoyed
How
na
are you?
today's? I'm good, bache. Thank you so much. You enjoyed? Enjoyed the meeting? Huh,
Yes
Rabia?
ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Ma'am, yes.
God bless you. God bless you. Chalo, let's hear from sir, है ना? We will talk later. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay.
Welcome back, all the students. Now I am going to mute once. Today, this was the first experience of all the students joining breakout rooms. And I also visited all the rooms, and teachers were also helping them to say something. But somehow I have noticed that some students were feeling hesitation. So students, this is platform only for you. We have created this platform for students only, and you have to remove your hesitation. Try to speak in English as much as you can. So teachers are also sitting along with you to help you wherever you feel any difficulty. So we will be meeting again and again on every Sunday. The time will be decided. I think this will be the right time. So our teachers will help us in this expedition. So now I think today more than 40 students have joined, and there so many students I was uh, observing that they were in waiting rooms. So you are lucky enough, all the students, that you have joined this meeting, and you have broken the ice for the first time here. So I would like all the teachers to say something about this new experience. Hanji, first of all, Rachna ma'am, you start, and also continue this meeting for 5 minutes. Then we will end the meeting.
Okay, sir. It's really, really, really feeling, on the heaven right now, because it was a really great experience. I in my group there were more than means some students lost the network, I hope, and but still we were able to get the introduction of 9 students. We had a small, questionnaire type of session also later on, because
Yes.
what I felt that for being a good speaker, one should be a great listener also. So my students observed that session. They noted down some important or points about the introduction of other students also. And later on, we had a that sort of quiz, and they were able to answer about each other. Some how that was really great, and I am expecting that in coming sessions also we will be going to have a more greater experiences. A student from Nehru Garden, that is Ranjana, really, which that student really started with a great impressive beginning. And actually she told me that she was earlier in Santokpura, that is why she is able to get that link and able to join that. Brahmjot also spoke very well. Then Navdeep, Rehan Khan from Puranpur, and as well as Inderpreet, they also spoke really well. Sunil Royal from Saipur had some network issues, but still he was able to convey us his or her introduction, and the rest is okay. I over to group number 2, room number 2, teacher.
Uh, Hanji, who was in group number 2, room number 2?
Yes, sir. I was there,
Hanji,
Priyanka.
Hanji, ma'am.
I need applause for all. Group number 1 and others also. Hopefully they too have done good. Yes, Priyanka ma'am, kindly continue.
Yes, sir. In my group, there were 9 students, and everyone participated. Starting at the starting, we were hesitating when I called out the name. Everybody participated so well. were conversing with each other because when we were left with 6 to 7 minutes, everybody was done with their introduction. Then they people interacted with each other, tried to know each other, their hobbies, and their favorite teacher or the latest songs. They were conversating in English very well. And
Okay, okay.
in my group, Kashish, he participated very well, but others were also very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So it was the first experience and first day for the students. So
Yes, sir, definitely. But they were very good.
to speak so very fluently, I have seen so many students. Ramneek Kaur, ma'am,
Yes, sir. I'm
what was
here.
your first experience today? I think
Sir,
you
it was,
joined for the first time.
yes, sir. It
And-
was really a great experience, sir, and the students were participating really very good, and they were taking keen interest in all this activity, and they were sharing their views, whatever they are feeling, and they were really very confident. And all students participated very well, sir. They were speaking in English very good, sir. And this activity is really very useful for them, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hanji Shelly, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I have 9 students with me, and all have introduced themselves very nicely. After that, we have plenty of time left, so I started with the question answer form. I started asking them general questions, and all of them replied very beautifully. And a big round of applause for everyone because everyone was participating. No one was keeping silent. Everyone was participating, and that's what we all want. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Hanji Neerja, ma'am.
Ji, very good morning, all everybody. So I was in room number 5, and all the girls were there, and I got the best batch, I guess. All were excited to speak about their self, and everyone in my group want to listen the other people also. So we have that question and session also because time was left, and like Diksha, Neha, Moni, Harman, then Neha, little kid. Yeah, all were very intelligent batch I got today, and all was answering and enjoying and smiling and really excited to hear, really excited to speak, really excited to know each other. Yeah, we enjoyed that session, sir. All the students were very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So actually, you must be given all the teachers. You must be given give applause today because you have made the day today. So
Yes,
well
yes,
done,
yes.
all the students and the teachers. Especially the teachers have helped us a lot today because without you we would have done nothing. I actually talked to Rachna ma'am that we need such teachers who can help us in this field. ਸੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਰਚਨਾ ਮੈਮ ਜੋੜਨੇ ਪੈਣਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 10 ਟੀਚਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ 10 ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਟ ਦਾ ਸਪੋਟ to handle is very difficult. I think so.
Sir, but my views are that we today wonderfully handled all the things.
Yes.
I think we were 5 in numbers only. Neerja ma'am, Shelly ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, you and one more.
Ramneek ma'am.
Ramneek ma'am, yes.
हाँ.
We handled it beautifully. तो कोई
Yes.
बात नहीं है वो whatever the task, whatever the challenges are, we are ready. I think.
Always ready, always ready. Yes, Rachna ma'am.
This is the beauty of the session that every teacher is having that impact. कि मेरा जो group था, it was the best one.
Best group.
Yes.
Yes.
As to somehow I have visited all the rooms and I have observed that to some extent some students, very meager strength of the students was they were hesitating, no?
Sir, this hesitation is an obstacle. वो तो इन्होंने कर देनी है.
It might be a start.
2 or 3 sessions they'll start doing.
हाँ.
हमारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. I think they will do better than us.
Yes.
So
Yes,
thank you all the teachers and Rachna ma'am. I think you hope for the best and next time we must bring some more teachers and to also some more plannings also.
Yes, sir.
ठीक
I
है?
will definitely.
Yeah.
work on that.
Yes,
And other teachers, you're also, welcomed over to give suggestions so that we can, progress in very, step level by level, we can cover all those targets.
Okay, ma'am.
Right
Yeah.
now,
Haan.
as the introduction part was there, so next
Mhm.
time some more things, some enjoyment. The thing should have an enjoyment factor also.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैम, thank you one and all. Once
Sir,
again,
I want to make one suggestion here.
हाँ जी मैम,
Sir,
sure.
next time we should at least for once or twice we should give them topics in advance like we do in EBC. Then they will become more
Priyanka,
just once or twice.
प्रियंका, हाँ पता क्या है, व्हाट आई हैव इन माइंड इज कि ये जब स्पॉन्टेनियस होएंगे ना, क्योंकि यहाँ तो इनके लिए कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, थैंक गॉड, क्योंकि ईबीसी के अंदर थोड़ा सा ये कंपटीशन
Yeah.
फैक्टर आ जाता है और फिर कहीं ना कहीं वो कुछ मेड अप सा हो जाता है. अब ये
Yes, ma'am,
स्पॉन्टेनियस होंगे ना, तो यही
Yes, sir.
इनको एक्चुअली
I
रिक्वायर्ड
just
है.
want कि उनकी ना फ्लुएंसी थोड़ी सी एक दो बारी में जब when they will be prepared ना, पहले उनकी फ्लुएंसी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. Then we will be like extempore types जो आप कह रहे हो. Then we will switch on to that. This is just my suggestion.
नहीं, अभी हम लोग एक्सटेम्पोर वाली भी लेवल पर नहीं जाएंगे. हम लोग बहुत छोटे छोटे, जैसे हो सकता है टंग ट्विस्टर्स आ जाएं, हो सकता है कि वो कुछ जैसे डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू पिक्स एंड ऑल, ऐसी कुछ चीजें हों. तो ये
Yeah, that could be good because they can speak spontaneously. That should be there. Yeah.
हाँ, यही मेरे माइंड में चल रहा था कि हम लोग ये सब इससे चलें.
Yeah, tongue twisters and these picture things, these are really good.
Yes, ma'am.
Some
Tongue twisters are really good. Yes, I
yes
do.
ma'am, some interesting bites must be there na.
हाँ.
Yes,
So
yes,
so thank you very much all the teachers and students.
उमेश्वर सर, इससे
हाँ जी,
पहले
हाँ
भी
जी।
एंड कोई स्टूडेंट आप इस सेशन के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हो कि हाउ डिड यू फेल्ट?
हाँ
प्लीज
बिल्कुल
रेज हैंड
बिल्कुल.
करो. बच्चों, आपको भी मौका पूरा मिलना चाहिए.
बच्चों का भी
हमने तो
सजेशन ले लिए.
बता दिया क्या लगा.
हाँ जी, any students who want to tell something about this
Today's
session?
And any
Ranjana,
and
say
anything-
bache. Say
and
something,
anything you
Ranjana.
want to change and what do you expect in next sessions? Just tell us about that.
कोई भी बच्चा बोल सकता है आज का सेशन कैसा लगा और
Yes,
आपको कैसा
ma'am,
मजा आया, सब कुछ
Ma'am, it
बताइए.
is interesting session.
Ma'am, I like it.
How many of you will join the next Sunday also?
Ma'am, today's session was very interesting.
Ma'am, today's session is I am very enjoyed.
Okay. And,
Ma'am, today's meeting was really very good. Ma'am, today's session is very interesting and I like it.
okay, how many of you will join this session again on next Sunday? कितने बच्चे आएंगे?
Me, ma'am, Kashish, I will definitely join this.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, me also.
Inderpreet also raise hand.
Me.
Raise hand करो. Raise hand करो.
me.
Wow, so many hands. So many hands. Marvelous.
All the
And
hands
this
that
is-
they have raised.
This is really stunning.
So very wonderful.
Oh wow.
So thank you, ma'am, and all the students. Should I end the meeting here now?
Okay, dear students.
Yes.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
So
Study
thank you.
Be
Thank
healthy.
you one and all.
Stay safe.
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.